Hi everyone! In this video, we will use the distributive property and the order of operations to simplify this expression 3 times the quantity 5x plus 2 minus the quantity 7x minus 2. The distributive property helps circumnavigate the order of operations of parentheses being first. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. Parentheses mean that I must combine everything inside the parentheses first. However, these aren't like terms, so I can't simplify them any, which means that I can use the distributive property to multiply the 3 into every term here, and in this case, the negative over here into every term on this one. We can change this to add the opposite, and we can even fill this in with a 1 here if that helps you. On the left-hand side, we get 3 times 5x, which is 3 times 5x, plus, don't forget the addition sign, 3 times the second term, 2. Then we change this to add the opposite, and we're multiplying negative 1 times 7x, and then subtract negative 1 times 2. Now that we've done the distributive property, we're all done with parentheses, and we can move to the next step. The next step is exponents, but we don't have any exponents, so we can move to the next step of multiplying and dividing. Here we have a bunch of multiplication, and we can simplify 3 times 5, which is 15, times x is just 15x. 3 times 2 is 6, plus a negative 1 times positive 7 is negative 7x. Then minus negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And you can see this is a negative times a negative, which is positive. Or you can say add the opposite. Now that we have all of these multiplied together, we can move to the next step, which is adding and subtracting. These are all actually addition, so we can use the commutative property of addition by rearranging these and adding like terms. Here I see 15x and plus a negative 7x are like terms. Then we have 6 plus 2 are also like terms. 15 plus negative 7x is 8x, and plus 6 plus 2, which is 8. We have now simplified this expression using the distributive property and the order of operations, and we're all done.